Hey guys, today I'm taking this beautiful model and I am turning her into a bombshell. Her name is Samantha and she lives in my area, and when I saw her, I just knew I had to do her makeup. I'm using the new Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette as my inspiration. As soon as I saw it, I just knew it was perfect for her, and the colors are absolutely incredible. So I'm taking one of the lighter shades and I am just putting that right into her crease and blending that out. Then I'm taking the darker shades and just putting that into the outer edge of her eye and just blending that out and not letting it go halfway past her eye. I'm taking the lightest shade in this palette and it has little iridescent flakes in it. It is beautiful, and I am just putting that near her tear duct. For my foundation today, I am using the MAC Studio Fix. I dotted that around and then blended it in with the 170 brush. She literally has the most beautiful skin. I mean, she's only 23, so there you have it. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup by Mario, and this is the color medium, and I am just taking that, I'm putting it on her beautiful jawline just to enhance it a little bit more, up on her forehead, the sides of her nose, in her contour, pretty much everywhere. This is my favorite blush from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just putting that on the apple of her cheek and then just putting it up towards her temple. I love this color. It's called Ecstasy, and I highly recommend. I love, love, love my Dior highlighting quad. I'm just putting a little bit of the pink right on the apple of her cheek, and you can see how much that just lights it up, and it's just such a pretty way to highlight the face. Now I'm just mixing the white and the gold, and I'm putting that right on the top of her cheekbone. I put a little bit down her nose, underneath her brow bone, and her tear duct, and I also put a little bit on top of her lip. I wanted this makeup to be glam, but I also wanted it to be dewy, soft, and fresh. I really wanted to accentuate her cheekbones, so I just took an extra little bit of powder and cut that right underneath and then just wiped it away after a few minutes. This is the color Strip Down from MAC. I'm using that to line her lips, and then I just filled them in a little bit with the lip liner. For gloss, I wanted to use something that was warm toned, so I'm using the color Freebird from Morphe. It's an absolutely beautiful color and a great one to add to your kits. So this is Samantha's finished look. I also added some 110 lashes from Ardell. They are the perfect natural lash, and you can barely tell she even has them on. Just adds a little bit of extra oomph to her look.